Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and hello if you're new. Make sure that you subscribe so you'll never miss out on another video like this one. So I get this question asked a lot, and it's how to how to cleanse your jewelry pieces. So these right here, a lot of them are my gemstone pieces, crystal bracelets, crystal necklaces, a lot of crystal rings, but I also have rings that are synthetic, the rings that are not gemstones. Like this one right here, this has a very significant meaning to me. It was given to me by somebody very special probably over 10-15 years ago, and I still have it, and that person is not here anymore. So I have these rings here that I wear all the time. And so your most used jewelry is something that you want to cleanse often, whether this is real like gemstones and crystals or just regular jewelry pieces that you own. If you go to an event, if you go somewhere, you go to dinner, you go on a date, you wear your jewelry to a barbecue, wherever you go, get together, family gathering, it always absorbs energy. Most crystals always absorb energy. And so when you come home, you do want to make sure that you cleanse it, especially if the event went like a little weary, a little bad, there was some negative energy, there was a negative person there, whatever, these crystals protect you from those things, but you also have to kind of cleanse them. Unless they're specific crystals like selenite, you don't need to cleanse. But these are the ones I'm going to be cleansing right now. I'm going to show you how to cleanse your jewelry. You're going to need sage. If you guys want me to do a video where you can cleanse your jewelry with something else like Palo Santo or incense or other ways to cleanse it, if you can't use sage or you can't burn sage, let me know, because this is not the only way I cleanse my jewelry. I have like 10-15 ways that I cleanse my jewelry, but this is the easiest and this is the most effective almost. And also, it just clears away all the energy from your jewelry. So what you're going to do, we're going to just jump in right now. I have a candle burning here, and so what I'm gonna do is get my sage going from this candle. I find it better to use a candle because that way I don't use so much like lighter fluid. Once your sage is nice and smoky, just like this one, I like to put it in a fire safe dish, like a fire safe bowl. Right here I have an abalone shell, and then what I will do is I will take my jewelry, first my rings, right, and just go over it. You can have the smoke seep through your fingers like this. Don't burn yourself though. You can also take them one by one and just have them go right above the smoke. Every single one of them, you want to make sure it's smothered in the smoke. I'm doing this pretty fast. Usually off camera I would do it slower, and you speak what you want. I'm cleansing all of the energy away from this so that I can program these with new energy that serves me, benefits me, brings me money, love, luck. I walk into opportunities, my roads are open. So you want to keep saying stuff like that while you're cleansing everything. The next set of things I'm going to do is all of my bracelets. So these are my most worn bracelets right here. And so I wore them to an event, and there was some real negative, toxic ass people there. If you guys want to hear the whole story time, it's on Patreon. So I am just going to be cleansing all of this, from that wedding that I went to. So we're just going to cleanse it all like this. Make sure you rotate it at least 4 times to get all the beads, to get all the corners and every side of it. You can even rotate it, twist it. You could even wear it on your arms and just twist and rotate your arms. Make sure that everything is nice and coated, nice and smothered. Every part of your bracelets have this smoke going on it. And then that is done. And then the next thing I'm going to do is take my necklace. This is a clear quartz necklace that I have. Clear quartz absorbs energy like no other crystal. Its function is to absorb energy. And so this is one crystal you always want to cleanse, and make sure that you also do the chain. Okay? I'm gonna do the same thing with my black tourmaline. Black tourmaline is something that really doesn't need to be cleansed that often, but I still like to cleanse mine, and I like to do the chain. Just smother it in that smoke. And this is so fun. It's so therapeutic. Like, it truly, for me, it's very, very therapeutic. It's me just cleaning my energy of my own jewelry. Now, I want to show you guys this really quickly. So these are all of our chokers. This is not even all of it. We hand make these chokers. They're gemstone chokers. They shine so beautifully in the light. I don't know if you can see, but before I send out, or before I work any choker, I work all of these for you guys before it hits your neck. Okay, make sure you know that. And what I do is I'm going to just go ahead and just smother everything with the sage smoke. And this is the first step that I take in cleansing these chokers before it gets to you. And then I work on it on my altar for a few days. I work on it for a while, and I do specific things to it with my spirits and my deities and all of that stuff, my ancestors, and then it gets to you specifically whichever one you want. So I'm so proud of these, you guys. They're so freaking cute. I have labradorite, I have hematite, I have golden pyrite, I have golden obsidian, I have lapis sapphire, ruby. So make sure that you head to my Etsy shop. You can get these chokers there. These are handmade by me, charged by me. They sit on my altar until they reach you. So that is going to be how you charge your crystals. Let me know if you guys want a video about how to charge it with other things. Not charge, cleanse. So that is going to be how I cleanse my crystals, my crystal jewelry, and any jewelry really. You could do this with any jewelry. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know what else you guys want to see from me, and I will talk to you guys very, very soon. Bye.